In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the ink cartridges in your Canon Pixma TR7021a all-in-one printer. Switch on the printer, lift it from a side, so there is a place to lift it up. The ink cartridge chamber is here, so you just have to lift it and you can take the ink cartridges out one by one. Also take your new ink cartridge and place it here. So color goes to the black, goes to the right hand side, or you just have to place it here and lock it, and you will see B for black and C for color. So slide it, lock it. It's very easy to install. And now lift it little bit up and let it go. Wait for the ink system to start. It may print the alignment page. Press OK once it confirms, and now we can start using our printer. So this way we can replace the ink cartridges in this printer. Thanks for watching.